Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have come up with one more logic building problem, that is finding the most frequently occurring digit in an array. So you will be given two inputs in which one of them is the array of numbers and the other is the size of the array. That's nothing but the length of the array. And you are supposed to find the most frequently occurring digit in the given array of numbers. I have taken two of the test cases. From them you can better understand what should be the output that should be returned. So here in example 1, I have taken 6 numbers, and then among these 6 numbers the digit that is most frequently occurred is digit 6. If you carefully look at this particular 6 numbers that is in input 1 of example 1, you can understand that digit 0 occurred 2 times, digit 2 occurred 1 time, digit 4 occurred 3 times, digit 5 occurred 1 time, digit 6 occurred 5 times, digit 7 occurred 3 times, digit 8 occurred 3 times, and digit 9 occurred 2 times. So among all the frequencies that was said by me, Rao, 6 is the digit that occurred most number of times. That's the reason we have to return 6 as the output. Coming to the example 2, in example 2 also I have taken 6 numbers. Again, if you observe, among these 6 numbers, 0 occurred 2 times, 1 occurred 1 time, 2 occurred 4 times, 3 occurred 2 times, 4 occurred 4 times, 6 occurred 1 time, 7 occurred 3 times, 9 occurred 3 times. So digit 2 and 4 occurred both 4 times. But among both of them, digit 2 is the first one among this sequence of digits. That's the reason you have to return the output as 2. So this is what the problem statement is. So let me show my code how I implemented for finding the most frequently occurred digit in an array. So before explaining my code, let me run this both test cases. So 6 numbers, let me copy the 6 numbers. So here I go. So you can see 6 is the most frequently occurred digit. Let me show with the second test case also. Again it's 6 numbers and the input is, and there you go, you get 2 as the most frequently occurred digit. I said in the second test case you have 2 and 4 both occurring same number of times, but since digit 2 is the first identified highest frequent term, that's why we are returning 2. This is as per the problem statement. So if at all you are asked to return the digit with highest value, then the only change or you can do in my code is in line number 13. Sorry, it's line number 19. Here you can just keep equal to. This is the only change you need to make. In line number 19, you can just keep it equal to for getting 4 as the output. Now coming back to my code, as said in my previous videos, you are not going to read any inputs in the coding problem. You are going to write your code from here, and this is also reading of input only. And I am taking a array A which is created for 10 elements with indexing from 0 to 9, and my array A whose indexes are from 0 to 9 represents the digit frequencies. I am taking this particular array for calculating the digit frequencies, and this particular block determines my digit frequencies among all the numbers of the array. So here I am running this for loop for input 2 times, where input 2 represents the size of the array, and then on each and every number I am just getting the digit by digit, and that digit's frequency I am just storing in a array. And once this block is executed, I have my array containing all digit frequencies. And once you have all digit frequencies, it's a matter of time that you can determine the highest frequent digit. So here, this particular block I am using in order to determine the most frequently occurred digit. As said, this is equal to just now I kept. So as per the problem statement, what I have seen, in that you are asked to return the first occurred digit when you have multiple digits with same maximum frequency. But if you are asked to return the highest digit, then you can just use this equal to in line number 19 of my code. And then finally I am just displaying that particular most frequently occurred digit. So you are going to replace this system.out.print by return statement in the placement exam. So this is how I have implemented my code in order to find out the most frequently occurring digit in an array of numbers. If you can further optimize this code, you can post your optimized version in the comment section. That will be helpful for others. You can check out the description box for remaining logic building solutions, and you can optimize those solutions also. And I'll come up with one more logic building problem in my next video. Thanks for watching.